quickly ran out to get some bakery buns and we're gonna go grab coffee. My mom's still feeling sick, so we don't even know if she's gonna come out today. But our plan is to go to the Gundam factory, but we don't need to go until later. And it's still super early, so we're just grabbing like a light snack. I'm in the Ditto building by myself to kill some time, so I might do some claw machines. We got two different types of takoyaki. This one has cheese and cod roe, and then this one's got teriyaki sauce and egg. And then we also got the one that's like in the fish. This one, the croissant taiyaki. I'm trying to fix the background, but my mom is sleeping, so I'm trying to like not show her. Here's mine. I picked the cheese one with the cod roe. So let's take our first bite. Ooh, cheese pull. That's not Sprite, but this is the Mitsuya cider. I'm gonna try the one with the egg now. My dad just gave me a piece, so here, really hot. I think I like yours better. With the egg and the teriyaki sauce is really good. Here's the taiyaki croissant.
What is that?
Like croissant.
Guys, we made it to the Gundam factory. Look at how massive this is. We came to this mall just to look for some cash exchange, and there's some cool stuff here. They are so cute.
Not me fan camming, you know?
Not the fan cam. We're just shopping around right now. This is an artist that you follow, and they have their own shop. We're back at the same katsu place for quick lunch. Yeah. I got the same thing as I did yesterday. The egg is better than yesterday.
Using your
Everyone's getting one. Not mom. Just okay.
never
Cop.
seen that.
Thank you.
Vending machine coffee.
Cop. Everyone cop this coffee. Okay. Dad's a vlogger now. Guys, I swear I won this for real. I really did. I'm not faking it, I swear. It really happened.
I didn't think it was so quiet.
Yes, I really did that right here. I didn't think I was gonna win again, so I just didn't turn on the camera. This is the other one that I won. Hatsune Miku. Here she is. We're just waiting in the subway station right now. We're going to Tokyo Tower. That's like the only thing we have planned today because tomorrow we're going to Kyoto. And so it's our last day. We're just trying to take it a little bit easy. Plus my mom's still feeling like a little bit sick. So this morning we just ended up going to some claw machines, getting some lunch. Guys, we made it, but it is literally the most humid day ever. We're at the top of the tuk-tuk tour. Look at this view! And I ordered the chocolate egg salad plate thing. We're gonna try it. There's like meat and cheese and whatever. I'm just so hungry, so I'm how cute this sandwich is. I literally ate everything already, but also I wanted to show you guys because I went to the Akihabara Sanrio gift gate right before coming here and I picked up 2 things. I got this one, is the Ueno limited edition keychain. It looks like this. It's super cute, and then I ended up getting this like little like wrist strap thing. I'm gonna put them on my purse. There's this little like photo spot. Look at how freaking cute. And then also a pink pom-pom here, and they literally have a ring light here. Like look at how amazing this lighting is.